Today we'll learn how to find HCF and GCD using division method, which is just the shortcut method. And at the end of the video, you'll be able to solve HCF or GCD orally. So I'll tell you the trick at the end of the video. So watch till there. Before that, you should know how to solve the HCF or GCD with division method. So let's do with that. So HCF stands for highest common factor and GCD stands for greatest common divisor. GCD is just the other name of HCF. And we'll do the division method here. We have already done listing factors method, prime factorization method, long division method. From all of them, division method is the shortest method or the shortcut, you can say. Moreover, you can watch that videos because in exams you'll get the questions where they write find HCF using prime factorization method, find HCF using long division method. So you should know all the methods, even though you know the division or the shortcut or the oral method. So let's see the steps here. Let's understand the steps. You'll be able to understand better when we are doing the example. So listen the steps. Step 1, write the given numbers horizontally in the sequence. Whatever the question you'll get, you'll write them horizontally in a sequence. Step 2 is find the smallest prime number that can divide all the given numbers. So you should know what the prime numbers are. Prime numbers are those numbers which has only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. So we'll find the smallest prime number here. It's just like prime factorization, which can divide all the numbers together. But in prime factorization, we choose any number, even one number is coming, it's okay. But here, all the numbers should divide. We need to choose that number. You'll understand this with example better further. Okay, step 3 is after when you got the number, which can divide all the numbers, you write the quotients below. Then you'll repeat the process until you reach the stage that whatever the numbers are left, you cannot find any number that can divide all the numbers. So then whatever the product of the common factors, that will be the HCF. Let's see with the example, you'll understand better with that. So find HCF of 14 and 28 by division method. So for that, what you will do is draw the vertical line, draw the horizontal line. Write down all the numbers 14 and 28 in sequence like this. You can either separate it with commas or with this line. Okay, 14 and 28. Just check 14 and 28 together comes on which table? It should be prime numbers, remember. So smallest prime number is 2. You can check with the 2 first. So 14 and 28, both the numbers come in the 2 table? Yes, it will come. So we'll write 2 here. And where it comes, we write the quotients below. 2 7s are 14. 2 14s are 28. So let's write 2 7s are 14. 2 14s are 28. Now again, we got 7 and 14. This is important step. Here we'll again check where both the numbers come together. Prime number is 2 we can write? No. Why? Because 7 does not come in the 2 table, even though 14 comes. So we'll write 7 here because 7 only the table where I can get all both the numbers together and would get the remainder 0. So let's write 7 here. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. So I wrote the 2 here and 1 here. So now 1 and 2 is left. Now these two numbers do not come together in any table. If I write 2 here, 1 will not come in 2 table. So these numbers are left. It's okay if it's left. But the main focuses are these numbers. So HCF of 14 and 28 will be 2 multiplied 7. That is 14. So what the rule is, you just need to write that numbers, that prime numbers, which can divide these numbers exactly and leave the remainder 0. But both the numbers or all the numbers. Now example 2, we have 4 numbers here and we have to find this by the division method. So 36, 12, 24 and 48. So again, the first step, vertical line you'll draw and the horizontal line you'll draw. Next, write down the numbers. Either you can separate it with the commas here or with that lines. So 36, 12, 24, 48 I have written. Now you'll check all these numbers come in which table. First, use the prime numbers. So in 2 table, you can check all the numbers come in 2 table, all are even numbers. You can use the divisibility rules, which we have already discussed, that if the numbers are even or the last digit or the ones digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, we can say that the numbers come in 2 table. So here divisibility rules can be used. So you need to remember the divisibility rules. If you do not remember, then you can check the video. I'll link in the description. Okay, so let's begin. It will come in two table. So two table where 36 come divided. If you do not know, I know it, it come at 18. And 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are 24, then 2 24s are 48. So I have written the numbers where these numbers come in two table. Okay. Now the next we have 18, 6, 12 and 24. Again, check all these numbers together come in any table. Yes, it comes where these are all even number again. It will come in two table. So we'll write 2 again. Where 18 comes, 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 12. Sorry, 2 6s are 12 and 2 12s are 24. So I'll write 9, 3, 6 and 12. Okay, I got this number. Now again, check all these numbers come in two table. 3 and 9 will not come. So I cannot write 2 here because all numbers should come. Now check with 3. All these numbers come in 3 table. Yes, it will come. You can use the divisibility rule, or even these numbers are very small. You can check that they come in the 3 table. So we'll write 3 here. So where 9 comes, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 4s are 12. So now all these numbers are left. Let's see all these numbers can come in any table together. No, they can't come. So let's leave here. So we left with these numbers. So HCF will be 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now what I was talking about oral method, that how we can find orally without doing even this, that what is the HCF of this. So for that, this is just similar to division method, but in division method, we are using the prime numbers. But what if you do not use prime number? You just check this, all the numbers, check all these numbers come in which table. So you can see that all these numbers can come in the 12 table. So 12 is the prime, 12 is the HCF. So you just need, if it is not a prime number, even though it could be correct, it is correct. So if you are doing an exam, the division method, you are not solving orally, it's for MCQs if you are doing, that you can solve orally the HCF by just looking the all the table, all the numbers come on which table together. So if it's 12, you can use 12, the bigger numbers. It's fine. So, but while doing in exams, remember you're using the prime numbers. Okay. So this was the trick. You can do orally the HCF. Now it's your time to do some workout and write your favorite method to find HCF, as we have done many methods: listing factors method, prime factorization method, long division method, and the division method, that is a shortcut method. Write down your favorite method in the comment section. I would like to see. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for our upcoming videos.